Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Emotional Fitness. Today we will see what causes irritation in people and how Bach Flower remedies can help us to come out of this irritable condition. In daily life we can see some people show their irritability by tearing the flowers or torturing the defenseless animals. Some people lose their temper and this can be seen as illness of aggressive nature. They may get sudden high fever, strong allergic reactions or serious infections, or an unusual irritation at the beginning of an illness. The Bach Flower remedy wholly reduces the irritability and makes us more friendlier. When we have strength, fearlessness and self-confidence, then we are able to express our anger normally. Otherwise, it develops into irritability. When a child cannot get what he wants or he is asked to do something which he doesn't like, then he shows his irritability by throwing things or shouting loudly. In such situations, the Bach Flower remedy cherry plum will be of great help. It will help the child not to get irritated and show his anger by throwing things, but it will make him to calm down and have a peaceful outlook. When we go to book tickets and there is a long queue and we have to wait for a long time to book the tickets, then some people may get irritated and they may start shouting that the ticket collector is taking such a long time to give the tickets, and so he becomes very irritated. In such situations, the Bach Flower remedy wholly along with impatience will make the person to calm down and not to be in a haste, for it takes time to do everything. When our near and dear ones are admitted in the ICU ward and the doctor tells that the condition is serious, the people who are waiting outside becomes nervous and start getting irritated. In such situations, the Bach Flower remedy mimulus along with impatience will help them not to have such a fearful outlook and have patience. It will help them to come out of this anxious restlessness and be calm. These are some of the remedies which can help us to come out of the irritation and have a calm outlook. But there are different situations where we get irritated, and it depends upon the individual how he faces the situations. So depending upon the situation and the persons, we can give Bach Flower remedies to compromise the irritation. If you all like this video, like, share, comment, and if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel Emotional Fitness and click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.